The 10.3-inch touchscreen car stereo offers a seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto experience, allowing easy access to navigation and entertainment apps like Google Maps and Spotify. With its high-resolution display, the car stereo enables Android and iOS users to mirror their smartphones, enhancing the in-car entertainment system with video playback. The device's real-time GPS navigation provides accurate and timely route guidance through popular apps, ensuring a safer and more efficient driving experience. Equipped with a dual-channel dashcam, it captures detailed 4K footage from the front and full high definition from the rear, offering comprehensive coverage and security for your vehicle. The split-screen mode enhances multitasking by allowing simultaneous display of navigation and camera views, improving user convenience and safety. Advanced night vision and wide dynamic range technology ensure clear and detailed video capture even in low-light conditions, making it a reliable choice for all driving scenarios.